Welcome to today's video about cinnamon tea at night benefits. Have you ever wondered what happens when you sip a warm cup of cinnamon tea just before bed? Is it just a soothing nightcap, or could there be more to this aromatic brew? Imagine a natural elixir that not only calms your senses, but might also be the secret to enhanced health. But how much of this is true, and how much is just a spicy myth? We're diving into a world where tradition meets science. Does cinnamon tea really hold the key to improved health, from better sleep to enhanced sexual health? Could your nightly cup be doing more for your body than you ever imagined? And if so, how exactly does it weave its magic? Stay with us as we unravel the mysteries of cinnamon tea. You'll be surprised to learn who should and shouldn't indulge in this nightly ritual. Stay tuned till the end for some eye-opening revelations. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Now, let's delve into the benefits of cinnamon tea at night, beginning with our first point on the list: blood sugar control. When exploring how cinnamon tea influences blood sugar control, it's key to dive into the specific compounds at play. A 2015 study in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine highlighted cinnamaldehyde, a compound in cinnamon which can enhance insulin sensitivity. This means your body can use insulin more effectively, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable. Another vital compound, proanthocyanidin, demonstrated in a 2022 Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition study, has the potential to reduce the digestion of carbohydrates. This slower breakdown means your blood sugar won't spike as quickly after a meal. Plus, cinnamon's polyphenols, as per a 2022 study in Nutrients, may also play a role in blood sugar regulation by improving cellular glucose uptake. Integrating a cup of cinnamon tea into your evening routine could be a small step toward better blood sugar management. Next, number 2, anti-inflammatory effects. Understanding how nightly cinnamon tea contributes to reducing inflammation requires diving into its diverse compounds. Beyond cinnamaldehyde, cinnamon is packed with various bioactive substances like eugenol and cinnamic acid. These components are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. For instance, a study published in the Biomedicine and Pharmacotherapy 2021 revealed that these compounds inhibit the activity of certain proteins and enzymes that trigger inflammation in the body. This is particularly relevant for chronic inflammatory conditions. It's not just about alleviating temporary discomfort. Regular consumption can play a role in managing long-term inflammatory issues. Next, number 3, heart health. When you enjoy a cup of cinnamon tea at night, you're not just indulging in a warm, comforting beverage. You're also supporting your heart health. This aromatic spice contains a blend of compounds that can positively impact cardiovascular health. Key components like cinnamic acid and flavonoids work together to reduce inflammation and cholesterol levels, both crucial factors in heart disease prevention. For example, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2017, revealed that these compounds can lower LDL cholesterol, while potentially increasing HDL cholesterol. Additionally, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties, highlighted in a 2018 study in Food and Function, help reduce arterial stiffness, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. So, as you sip your cinnamon tea, remember it's not just a soothing nighttime ritual, but also a heart-friendly choice. Next, number 4, neuroprotective effects. Delving into the neurological benefits of cinnamon tea, it's fascinating to discover its diverse compounds that contribute to neuroprotective effects. Researchers have identified not just cinnamaldehyde, but also epicatechin, coumarin, and cinnamic acid as key players. A 2018 study in the Pharmacological Research highlighted these compounds' ability to inhibit the buildup of tau proteins, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, a 2019 publication in Pharmacological Research pointed out how these components reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, known factors in neurodegenerative conditions. This multifaceted approach by cinnamon tea's compounds suggests potential in safeguarding brain health, though more targeted research is needed to fully understand and harness these benefits. Remember, while intriguing, this shouldn't replace professional medical advice or treatment. Next, number 5, cancer prevention. Exploring the cancer preventive properties of nightly cinnamon tea consumption unveils a fascinating blend of bioactive compounds beyond just cinnamaldehyde. These include proanthocyanidins and catechins, known for their antioxidant activities. A 2023 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences highlights how these antioxidants combat cellular damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals, a key factor in cancer development. Moreover, a 2022 research article in International Journal of Inflammation reveals cinnamon's role in regulating cell proliferation and apoptosis, vital processes often disrupted in cancerous cells. Remember, while these findings are promising, they don't suggest cinnamon tea as a standalone cancer treatment. It's always best to integrate such natural remedies into a broader lifestyle and healthcare plan, as advised by medical professionals. Next, number 6, immune system support. Exploring the benefits of nighttime cinnamon tea for your immune system, it's fascinating to delve into its rich blend of compounds. In a 2017 study published in the Journal of Immunology Research, researchers highlighted not just cinnamaldehyde, but also eugenol and polyphenol antioxidants. These components collectively boost immune function. Eugenol, for instance, has antimicrobial properties, helping your body fight off pathogens. The antioxidants in cinnamon are particularly effective in combating oxidative stress, a known immune system suppressor. This was further emphasized in a 2014 article in PLOS ONE, where cinnamon's role in enhancing immune defense mechanisms was noted. By incorporating cinnamon tea into your nightly routine, you're tapping into a natural, holistic way to support your body's immune defenses. Remember, a robust immune system is your first line of defense against various health issues, making cinnamon tea a valuable addition to your nightly ritual. Next, number 7, weight management. Exploring the weight management properties of cinnamon tea reveals a fascinating interplay of natural compounds, beyond just cinnamaldehyde. Polyphenols, found abundantly in cinnamon, are key players. They've been studied for their role in metabolism and fat storage. A 2017 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed these compounds can potentially enhance lipid metabolism. That means they help in breaking down fats more efficiently. Another aspect is cinnamon's impact on blood sugar levels. By moderating these levels, as indicated in a 2015 study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, it may reduce cravings and overeating. It's not a magic potion, but incorporating it into a balanced diet could aid your weight management efforts. Next, number 8, dental health. Understanding how drinking cinnamon tea can benefit dental health involves delving into its unique blend of compounds. Essential oils in cinnamon, like eugenol, possess strong antibacterial properties. A study published in the Journal of Oral Microbiology, 2020, highlights how these compounds effectively combat oral pathogens, reducing the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. Another component, proanthocyanidins, shown in Journal of Natural Products, 2019, contributes to reducing inflammation, crucial in managing gingivitis. The tannins in cinnamon, as per Phytotherapy Research in 2018, have astringent properties that can tighten gum tissues, offering additional protection. So, when you sip on cinnamon tea at night, these compounds synergistically work to maintain oral hygiene, potentially reducing dental issues. Next, number 9, menstrual comfort. When exploring how a nightly cup of cinnamon tea might ease menstrual discomfort, it's fascinating to delve into its blend of compounds. Beyond cinnamaldehyde, cinnamon is rich in anti-inflammatory agents like eugenol and flavonoids. These substances work together to potentially reduce menstrual cramping. In a 2015 study published in the Iranian Red Crescent Medical Journal, researchers found that cinnamon can significantly alleviate menstrual pain and bleeding. This is attributed to its ability to relax muscles and blood vessels, easing uterine contractions that often cause cramps. What's more, cinnamon's natural analgesic properties, as highlighted in a 2014 study in phytotherapy research, may also play a role in diminishing discomfort. Remember, this comforting brew is not just a flavorful delight. It's also packed with natural compounds that might just make your monthly cycle a bit more bearable. Next, number 10, relaxation and sleep. When you sip a cup of cinnamon tea before bed, you're not just enjoying a tasty beverage, you're also tapping into its sleep-promoting properties. Research, like a study published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, 2015, highlights several compounds in cinnamon that aid relaxation and sleep. Beyond cinnamaldehyde, the tea contains eugenol, linalool, and methylchavicol. These compounds work together to create a calming effect. Eugenol, for instance, is known for its sedative properties, making it easier for you to drift off to sleep. Linalool also plays a key role by reducing stress and anxiety levels, as detailed in Phytotherapy Research, 2010. And let's not forget methylchavicol, which, as per research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, 2011, contributes to the overall soothing effect. So when you're winding down for the night, remember that this warm, aromatic tea is more than just a pleasant nightcap. It's a natural ally for a good night's sleep. Next, number 11, improves sperm quality. Cinnamon contains a range of beneficial compounds such as fiber, magnesium, iron, manganese, calcium, and vitamins, alongside phenolic acid and flavonoids. It's known for its potential benefits in various health aspects, including sexual health and, potentially, male fertility. Specifically, cinnamon is suggested to boost libido in men, which could lead to increased sperm production and improved testosterone levels, a key hormone in male reproductive health. Moreover, a 2015 article in Iranian Red Crescent Medical Journal explored how cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties could benefit sperm health. Inflammation in the body can adversely affect sperm production and quality. By mitigating this, cinnamon can create a more favorable environment for sperm development. These findings suggest a holistic benefit from the various compounds in cinnamon, making it a potentially beneficial addition for those concerned about reproductive health. Remember, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Now, let's see how to prepare cinnamon tea. Choosing the right cinnamon. Opt for Ceylon cinnamon over cassia cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon has lower levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in large amounts. Simple cinnamon tea. Recipe: boil 1 cup of water. Add a cinnamon stick or a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Steep for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the cinnamon stick or strain the tea. Optional. Add a teaspoon of honey or a slice of lemon for flavor. Next, recommended dosage for health benefits. The amount of cinnamon tea you should drink to reap its benefits varies. Generally, 1 cup a night is recommended. It's important not to overconsume, as excessive cinnamon can lead to adverse effects. Next, we'll delve into the crucial question of who should avoid cinnamon tea. Certain individuals should be cautious or avoid cinnamon tea. Pregnant women. Cinnamon can stimulate the uterus, so pregnant women should avoid high doses. Liver disease patients, especially those with existing liver conditions, should be cautious, as large amounts of cinnamon, particularly cassia cinnamon, contain coumarin, which can worsen liver problems. Since cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels, people with hypoglycemia should be careful. Surgery patients. It's advisable to avoid cinnamon tea close to surgery due to its blood-thinning properties. Medication interactions. Those on certain medications, especially for diabetes or heart disease, should consult with a healthcare provider, as cinnamon can interact with these drugs. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding cinnamon tea to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. As we've explored together, the humble cinnamon tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a blend of tradition, taste, and tantalizing health benefits. But remember, like all good things, moderation is key. If you found this journey into the world of cinnamon tea enlightening, please let us know by saying yes in the comment box. Your feedback fuels our passion and helps us create content that resonates with your health and wellness journey. Until next time, keep exploring and take care of your health. Cheers to your next cup of cinnamon tea.